And if you are somebody who is watching this video, these messages are relevant and valid for you. If you're watching me on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any other update from this channel. While I do shuffle my cards, I would like to inform you that you can message me through the links in the description for the various discounts which are going on the consultation of tarot, numerology, as well as DNA astrology, and on empowerment coaching as well. So I have shuffled the cards and let's move ahead. So we are speaking about February 2021. Let's see what is the central energy or the central theme for everybody who watches this video now or later. What is going to be the central theme for February 2021? What can be the challenge? Something which we should be very careful about. And what is our guidance for the month of February 2021 to handle it to the best of our knowledge? Okay, I have that. Now let's see what is going to be the central theme. The central theme is the Knight of Wands, right? So which means that there is going to be a lot of energy which we all are going to experience in February of 2021. It is up to us how we utilize that particular energy. Do we let that energy frustrate us and make wrong decisions, impulsive decisions, or do we utilize this energy of moving ahead, of making certain things happen in our life in the direction of our goals, of achievement of our goals? As you can see, here is a knight. Knight is a warrior, a soldier, a motivator. Now this knight is self-motivated and this knight is ready to charge. Wands, as far as tarot is concerned, deals with the energy of passion. It also deals with the energy of fire. I see that this particular energy, which is now being created in February 2021, you can actually utilize to make something great happen in your life. For something which you thought that you were becoming lazy or losing momentum, that might come back to you in these days. Mercury is retrograde as well. So something will come back to you, something where you had lost your passion, it might reinvigorate. That is great, that is okay, because now it needs to be dealt with, it needs to be tackled with. My advice to you, even before going to the tarot advice, is that it is up to us how we utilize this particular energy, which means that either we can get frustrated and angered, which is the lower vibration of this particular energy, and the higher vibration of this particular energy is that we utilize all that passion, all that internal gutso and internal fire into something constructive. Build something new, build something, or put that in our career or business, depending upon where are you in your life. But a lot of passion. As you can see, the card also has the color red and yellow in it. Red is associated with the Muladhara chakra, which is the root chakra, which is the basic survival, and yellow is concerned with the solar plexus chakra, which is standing in our power. So I would suggest that you utilize this particular energy into standing up in your power and balancing your basics, your root chakra as well as your solar plexus chakra. So a very Martian energy, and which is interesting because Mars, as you would see around you, Mars is very active. A lot of people are taking action on things which earlier they were letting go or were let's say not giving so much attention to, or they thought that they cannot do something about it. So this can also mean a revolt of some sort, where people are coming together and revolting against something. So all that I'm saying is just be a bit careful about that to utilize your energy where it is constructive and it is giving results to you as a person. Now let's see what can be the challenge for the month of February 2021, and that is the Page of Swords. Now challenge, what has come in the challenge is that something which you don't know everything about still, but you feel that you're smart enough to know of, that might come as a challenge to you. This can also indicate somebody who is in your environment, who is still very young, not matured, smart, but not matured, and that person can also come as a challenge to you in your life. What is coming to me is that because, we have the Knight of Wands over here, somebody in your work field or somebody in your career field who is maybe your subordinate might come as a challenge to you. But what I want you to know is that do understand that whoever this person is, it's not that this person is ignorant or is not smart. In fact, he or she is somebody who is very good in communication and who makes very good decisions in life. But it's just that he or she is young. So in fact, instead of looking at this person as a challenge, look at this person for the wisdom that this person holds and have a direct communication with this particular person who's the Page of Wands. Now let's see, and I also see that a lot of you might not be ready to accept a new idea which is being told to you by someone in your paradigm. You know, maybe somebody young is coming to you or will come to you in this particular month and try to give you a perspective on a situation, some situation which you have been trying to deal with, but you do not take that particular advice just because that person is young or is your subordinate. So my suggestion to you will be, because it is coming in the position of challenge, be open, stay open to take the advice of this person as well, because this person is smart. Okay, now the guidance is the Eight of Pentacles. Now what Eight of Pentacles, when it comes as guidance, it means that do not hesitate to show your work, and especially that work in which you have put in your hard work, you know. And in fact, do know that even if you feel that there is some lack of resources, you know, you are smart, you know where to utilize your resources well, and make sure that you highlight them, that everybody knows that you are working hard on this particular thing, that or you have worked hard on this thing, and that you know the nuances of it. In fact, it's almost, to me, what is coming is that it is okay in this period for you to show off either through your words or you know, in your body language, that whatever you had taken up or whatever it is that people are looking at, that you've worked hard on it and it does matter to you, so that later on you can get the rewards of it. So this is what February 2021 looks like, and I hope this helps you. Do write in the comment section maybe later that how much do you relate to this particular energy. So if you haven't yet, do join me on my Instagram page, which is Neha Goyal, NEHAAGOYAL, as I do post daily over there. Or do subscribe to my channel Neha Goyal Dream Reading. Hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any other update. As of now, I also have discounts which are going on my personal consultations of tarot, numerology, as well as DNA astrology and soul astrology. So do feel free to check with me on that, DM me on that. All the links are in the description through which you can get in touch with me. Plus, there are packages for empowerment coaching as well, where I utilize NLP, womb healing, inner child healing, and life coaching techniques to empower your life. So thank you so much for joining in. Namaskar, Radhe Radhe.